no joke when the police shows up and ropes it off. So time to get out. We got a little bit. When they show up and rope it up, it don't happen. They're expected 3 times what you just saw. So this ain't no joke. So I'm gonna move on. Get on up the highway. I mean, I ain't afraid of police, right? No, I like them. Most of them are pretty good job. And it rightfully should be roped off because the tourists don't know. And you saw it splashing on that wall. And I'm telling you, it'll take you and kill you. Look at these things roll. Oh my God, it's going to be something. So, hopefully I can get some good footage. Yeah, I'm going to try. Oh God, she's rolling now, baby. Like I said, this is going to be something else. This will be historic stuff. I know what I'm doing. Oh my God, look at her go. Oh, look at this now. It's going to be epic. Oh, here she comes. Watch this, watch this. They're coming right at us. That's a beast there. So, I got a historic tide pull. She pulled back. The surfers, first thing they did come out, and a couple of them I never even met. And he says, "Oh, you're the tide pool guy, man. Right on, we love you." I said, "You guys know your shit, boy. I watched you. You better know your shit surfing in this, huh? There's no faking it in this. Fakers are in the morgue, right?" So, oh, there we go. All right, I'll get some more. Stand tuned.